If you are holding cryptocurrencies, I have some very important information that you need to hear, so make sure you watch this video until the very end. As we have seen the last several days, cryptos have spiked up, especially in the last 24 hours. Why is this happening? Are they going to go back down? Have we reached a bottom? If you hold any cryptocurrency, I just have some incredible information that you need to hear. So getting straight into the video. The first thing we want to take note of is Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins have been going crazy the last 24 hours. We have seen a very significant move, which we did call out in the Patreon. So if you were in the Patreon yesterday, we did a buy alert right at this pink line. So if you would have bought on the buy alert, you would have made about 7% in just a matter of a few hours. Look, we have the buy alert here at 1810. We have stop losses and exits, and Ethereum hit our price targets very quickly. So congratulations. You would have outperformed the entire stock market in just a few hours with one single buy alert, which can pretty much pay for a year's worth of Patreon in just a single buy alert. These buy alerts happen all the time. If you want to get access to that, I highly recommend you join the Patreon, especially tier 3, where you can copy all of my exact trades as a crypto day trader. But getting into the video, what is happening with cryptos? Was this a pump, fake out? What is going on? Well, precisely, make sure you watch my video yesterday because I talk about what's happening tomorrow, and they're going to be introducing a very pro crypto bill, which can help cryptos out substantially. Now, the reason why cryptos and stocks are up today, and cryptos do follow the stock market, the reason why this is happening is because last week Elon Musk was talking about economy. There's a lot of fear out there. There's a lot of FUD that crashed stocks, which also crashed to a degree the crypto market. But we have been recovering. We've been bouncing up with pretty much mostly every single coin, and this is very good. Now, in my video yesterday, I also gave you some very important information concerning altcoins, which you definitely need to hear, because what we are seeing is we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance is almost at 50%, guys. This is the chart which measures the Bitcoin dominance, and what this means for us and for everyone here is that people are selling off their altcoins, at least the bad altcoins, and getting into Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is actually outperforming mostly every single cryptocurrency right now, except for a few others. I mean, if you take a look at Dogecoin after the little dip today is up 1%, while Bitcoin is still up 5%. So you need to be properly diversified. That's what I help you to do in tier 3 of the Patreon. You don't want to be too heavy in altcoins right now because a lot of people are selling off their altcoins. During a market like this, the people that get in altcoins are retail investors. When markets are down and not moving much, the retail investors, they sell their altcoins because they need the money for something. A lot of people sell their altcoins to get into Bitcoin because Bitcoin is outperforming the whole market. So that's kind of what is happening. Now, there's a few pieces of information that we have to talk about. So what's very interesting, look at this. Bitcoin rises after snapping the longest losing streak ever since Bitcoin has been made. And what is that losing streak exactly? Well, on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin had been red for so many weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red weeks in a row. We finally broke that streak yesterday as the week closed, and we have a green candle. That is a very good indication that we're probably going to be seeing some upwards movement. Now notice, after there is a lot of red, whenever there's a lot of red and it's followed up by green weekly candles, there's usually a very big move. So we could be at the crypto bottom. Bitcoin may have reached its bottom, and that's what a lot of people are speculating, like myself. I think Bitcoin has reached the bottom. There certainly is a possibility for us to go lower. There could be another shakeout, and that could be based off of the fear of interest rates and inflation, which is pushing down the crypto market. And on Friday, the inflation reading is going to be made about 8:30 in the morning. I will be keeping you guys updated. I probably will even do a live stream so you can understand what's happening. It's going to be a lot of volatility this week based on the CPI reading on Friday. So if the inflation is higher than expected, we could see a crash in the crypto market and the stock market. But eventually, inflation is very good for cryptocurrencies because inflation is devaluing dollars and currencies around the world. And eventually people are going to realize it to such a degree that they're going to be starting to put more money in cryptos. versus certain type of assets. So as of right now, because of how closely related cryptos are to the stock market, inflation is bringing us down. But there has been times in the past where high inflation readings was pushing up cryptos, but not right now because of the way the interest rates are working right now. They're raising interest rates, and that is just not good. Cryptos are just closely related to the stock market as of right now during this economic turmoil. And look at this, crashes are the best times to get rich. This is what Robert Kiyosaki says. He thinks Bitcoin plunge is great news and how you can take advantage of it. So the funny thing is, the whales, they think about things differently than you and I. Like me and you, the regular retail investors and traders, we think of crashing and bearish markets and crypto winters as terrible things, but these are actually where true money is made. This is where real wealth is made. Real wealth is made during bear markets because things crash so much. Boom, guess what? Months later, not even much longer after these crashes, you get these huge pumps, and that's when the market is made. When you make a when you buy cryptos when they're at a 60% discount, 80% discount, 90% discount, and they go back up, and not only go back to up to all-time highs, but surpass the all-time highs. This is where true money is made in any type of market, stock market, cryptos, commodities. This is where money is made by buying the dips of good cryptos, good projects, good investments. Taking a look at the crypto fear and greed index, we are seeing a growth. We are starting to bounce up from extreme fear just a little bit, and this could be a bottom indicator as well. So we are going from extreme fear to fear. Hopefully we're going to continue to grow out of this terribly fearful range. In addition to this, there is some important information. Look at this. So we have, it's happening, as Crypto River says, the Bitcoin bullish 3-day MACD cross. So what we are seeing right now is the 3-day MACD cross. It's happening right now, and every time this has happened, at least in the last year or so, we have seen a significant move to the upside. So it's happening right now, and this could be an indication that cryptos and Bitcoin are going to be bouncing up here in the next couple of days or even the next couple of weeks. We're definitely going to have to see what's going to be happening with this inflation reading. They're going to be raising interest rates, so there's a lot of FUD and things that are kind of keeping the stock market down, cryptos down from growing, and that's why everything is happening as it is. It's inflation, it's fear, it's FUD. All of this stuff is just temporarily suppressing the crypto and stock market. Eventually, they're gonna have to bounce up. Now, just like I put a buy alert out yesterday, you can learn how to buy before things go up. You can learn when to sell before things go down. I highly recommend watching my crypto course. There is a 30-day money back guarantee, but you learn all of my investing and trading secrets, technical and analysis. This course will pay for itself very quickly, I guarantee it. Highly recommend you watch it because it will put you ahead in the crypto market. Now, also do not forget to claim your $4,000 Bybit bonus. It's a crypto trading platform where you can use leverage, you can go short, you can go long, so you can make money when cryptos are going down. When they go up, not even have to risk that much, but if you just send crypto over there, you deposit crypto over there, you can get a huge deposit bonus where you can trade for thousands of dollars of cryptocurrency for free. Highly recommend joining the Patreon. All of these links will be in my top pinned comment or my video description. And that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I will see you all later.